Hello and welcome to this educational video on precision technology and grade management on construction job sites. My name is Wodtke and I'm a precision construction specialist for John Deere. Technology can no longer be overlooked on today's job site and is no longer a future state. It is here to stay, and it starts with grade management solutions on the job site. To begin, the simplest question can be asked: why invest in technology, and specifically, why invest in grade management? Aside from completing jobs more efficiently and grading in fewer passes, grade control technology solutions reduce a lot of the manual, painstaking tasks of surveying and staking, as well as ease the labor crunch by enabling the existing workforce to get more done. There are 5 phases that I would like to discuss that go into the initial process on a traditional job site that do not currently employ grade management technology. Number 1 is surveying. That's where a topographical map is created of the current job site. Second is the design process, where there is an engineering firm that designs that plan. Then comes the layout phase, which is taking the engineering plan and staking it out to the actual job site. Next is execution, where you actually get to move some dirt to that finished design. Then finally, inspection, where you want to check and verify that final grade back to the engineer's original design. So where does grade management technology fit into this equation? To start, grade management is the process of utilizing bases, rovers, and data collectors to work on a job site, specifically in the layout, execution, and inspection phases. The benefits of these include less manual staking, savings on material, competitive bidding, more operator efficiency, and fewer labor hours for job completion. Now here's a short video that illustrates the process that I just discussed.
If you want to grade faster, more precisely, and with less manpower, pairing a grade control system with a John Deere crawler dozer or motor grader is a no-brainer. But when it comes to your return on investment, this is only part of the story. A grade control system gives you the accuracy you need to bid more competitively and win more jobs. To see how? Let's start from the beginning. Say a developer plans to build a shopping mall with plenty of parking, a commons, and a pond on a stretch of land he owns. First, he hires an engineer to create a 2D contoured map of the site, or a topo, and from this, a design for the shopping center is created. Now, contractors are brought in to do a takeoff, or estimate of what it'll cost for them to do the job. Using a grade management system, this contractor was able to topo the site himself to verify the engineer's quantities and calculate a more accurate estimate to enable him to prepare a competitive bid and win the contract. Next, he creates a 3D model from the design, then localizes it and imports it into the on-site data collector and into the machine. Now the machine is ready to go to work. Grade control systems improve the contractor's accuracy, reducing the number of passes for faster job completion, while eliminating the need for grade stakes and additional crew members on the job site, even during the verification process.
Throughout the video, you can see how useful and straightforward the grade management technology is. At a high level, this is how grade management technology improves productivity and accuracy on a job site. Like I said before, and will stress again, this technology is not going away and is an avenue for customers to increase efficiencies and save money in their construction operations. There's absolutely value in this investment. Thank you for joining me for this informational video from John Deere on grade management, and I would invite you to view the additional how-to videos related to this technology.